to real life. So what I'm going to be telling you is how I start my YouTube. It's a little thundery. It makes it a lot difficult. So what I do is, I use my phone. Once I use my phone, what I do is I use this bucket. What I do, I put for the Xbox. This is just for the Xbox. PlayStation, Wii, YouTube. What I do is that, see this bucket right here? I put it right here, and then I put whatever game I'm playing right here, and then maybe a few other games so I could do it well, so it doesn't have to be squished. And then I put it right there, and then it showed the TV. So let's head on. So, look, do you want to be in YouTube? Guess my dog doesn't want to be in YouTube. I don't know if you see him or not. Leave in the comments if you saw him or not. Now, what I do right here, I put this right here, then I put there. I would start with video recording. Actually, not there. I put this there so it gets a closer look, because that look like a famous shadow. Famous shadows. So that's just dark. That's just for that. And also down here, it's also a Wii U. So I'm going to be telling you how I video record right here. What I do, it's like a little trophy. What I do, put this right there, and then I put this right there, and you see how I video record. So, is there any more? Oh yeah, and this will have to be almost the end of the video, but do not go yet, because soon I will have a Crazy Crab. I'll play it. Royal Guardian Sword. And also I may be not looking at a screen because I like looking at myself. So I'm looking at the screen right here. So, is there anything? I don't know. So make sure, guys, leave in the comments how to download that Crazy Crab. I'm getting really weird. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And leave a thumbs up. And also, do not forget to subscribe to Stappies and put a thumbs up too. I really like you, Stampy. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you all later.